Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use virtual backgrounds in Zoom. Before you start, there is a specific system specification requirement to use this feature. You can check out those requirements using the link in the video description. And, if your PC meets those requirements, you can follow the video to use virtual background in Zoom. Let's get started. Okay, first, open Zoom desktop app on your PC. Click the gear shape icon from the top right corner to open settings. Then look for virtual backgrounds option in the settings and click on that. This option gives you a few image and video options to use as virtual background and opens your webcam. Simply select an image or video from the options and it will appear as your background on Zoom. Apart from that, there is a plus option next to the backgrounds. This option lets you add a custom image or video that you can use as virtual background. So guys, this is how you can use virtual background in Zoom. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe us for more.